guys, welcome to our channel, FoneLab. Losing important Excel files can be a frustrating experience, whether it's due to accidental deletion, system crashes, or other unforeseen circumstances. However, the good news is that, in many cases, these files can be recovered with the right tools. Let's explore the techniques we prepared for you. We will start with the easy one. Use AutoRecover to get back deleted Excel files easily. It is a feature built into Excel. Here's how you do it. First, make sure AutoRecover is turned on. Go to the File menu, then select Options. Next, click Save on the left side, and check if the boxes of autosave files are marked. Then, reopen Excel. Look for the Recovered section. Click Show Recovered Files. Excel will open a new sheet file with the Document Recovery panel visible. Click on any file listed to view Excel's latest save and find the Excel file you need to recover. Meanwhile, saving a file in Excel makes a temporary copy available in your chosen folder. Let's look at how to find it. On your computer, click the Windows icon, then type %temp% and press Enter. This will show you the temporary files. Open the folder and find the temp folder on the right side. If you remember when you lost the Excel files, click the Date Modified button. Scroll through the list to find the file you want. Drag it to your desktop, rename the file, and change the TMP at the end to XLSX. If you need to get back your deleted Excel file and want a good chance of success, try FoneLab Data Retriever. This tool is great because it won't change your data when getting it back. Plus, you can check what files you're getting back before you recover them. On the interface, you will see the recoverable data of the software support. Since you want to recover Excel files, click only the Documents button. Then choose the location where you lost your Excel files. Next, click the Scan button to begin the software locating your lost Excel files. The results will show on the left side of the software. Click the Type List section to view the folders of the Excel files you lost. After that, find and mark the Excel file you want to retrieve. Then click the Recover button. And as easy as that, your Excel files are recovered. Whether you're a business professional, a student, or anyone else relying on Excel for critical data, following these steps can increase your chances of successful file recovery and minimize the impact of data loss. For more helpful videos, visit our channel FoneLab. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.